Hi everyone. Again, I'm going to talk about the solar mounting system, which are the backbone of the solar installation. Again, I'm not making this video to promote any brand. I'm just creating this 3 to 4 minute video to you guys to understand what kind of mounting system solar panels require and why it is actually important. Again, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it. And obviously, please comment what kind of mounting system you guys have used at your own house and if you faced any problem as well. Anyways, first we understand why we need this. Now, solar mounting systems are not just an accessories. They are the foundation of your system that ensures that your solar panels are optimally positioned for a sunlight absorption as well. So in a layman terminology, this is the equipment which hold the solar panels, which goes underneath the panel, the heavy solar panel, and hold the panels in all season and weather conditions. All solar mounting systems have a limit. I think is a building height. I'm not sure, but it's around 10 meters, sometimes it's 20 meters as well. Also, if your installation is in a risky and a cyclone listed area, to ensure that your mounting system is suited for the wind region as well. Most of the components of the solar panel roof mounting brackets are made of aluminum or a steel, which is a good performance and a high corrosion resistance as well. Let's talk about what type of the small rundown what type of solar mountings are. Ground mounting systems, which is like carport and other. Roof PV mounting system, which we're going to talk about. Floating mounting system, tracking PV mounting system. Obviously, most of the we use PV mounting system on the roof, and they are mainly like triangular type, tripod one, a non-penetration roof mounting system, ballasted mounting system. Ballasted mounting system is more used for the concrete flat surface, but we mainly gonna talk about the metal and the tile roof one, which is usually we use here. Before we move forward, let's talk about the warranty. Usually check the warranty offered by the manufacturer, because longer the warranty is, then it shows the durability and the longevity of the mounting system, and it provide you a peace of mind as well. Alright, so now I will show you a few bits and pieces that what you guys call these and why it is important. First, I'm going to talk about this feet. The feet of the solar mounting kits are used to fix the solar panels on the tin roof. Tin roofs are quite simple to install. The installer just remove the existing screw line of your roof and replace it with the longer screw and fix the aluminum L-shaped bracket on the roof. It is pretty standard for the kit to come with the rubber, this one, to separate the aluminum, right, this one, and the tin and the color bond. I hope all installers use this rubber to separate the roof from the bracket, otherwise your roof may rust as well. For the tile roof feet, they are a little more difficult to install. They are a little bit longer. I don't have at the moment. The brackets are attached underneath the tiles and are screwed down onto the trusses. So in most of the application, what installer have to do, they will remove the tiles and then they will put that underneath and then again put the tile back. It is also a good idea to have a few tiles, spare tiles. If installer breaks anything, you can give them. Most importantly, if you have a terracotta tile, because they are very fragile, so if you have 15 panels, at least keep 30 terracotta tiles with you. So another one, it comes slate roof feet. The slate roof feet actually looks like a tin roof feet, but it actually goes into the slate roof, and the installer use the special drill and then they can install. Another thing is the rails, which you always see. They always go in a 2 in the roof, which is aluminum rails. Don't worry, they are tightened. They are not sliding like this. Normally they comes with the 3 to 4 meters long, and installer can cut it according to the design, according to the shape of the panel, and mount accordingly. Mid clamps. We'll talk about the mid clamps, and this is a T-shaped mid clamp. You need 2 of them. They goes in between the panels and the rails. You need 2 of them, one on the top and one on the bottom. It looks like this one. And you have end clamps. In the end, you need this one. End clamps are a module which are designed to clamp the end of the row of the solar panels to the rails. They slide into the place on the rail and tighten down by the Allen key. Alright, they do have a lock and a bolt as well. Splice kit. This one is a splice kit. So basically, if the rails are 2 to 4 meter long, and if somebody an installer want a longer rail, then they can connect these two rails by using this splice. Another one I want to talk about is the weaves, which is plays a very important role in your PV system. There are little plates which sit in between the solar panels and the rail. They are held into place by the mid or end clamp. When the mid or end clamps are tightened, the sharp point of the weaves, like this one, bite both into the panel and rails, create the earth as well. Ductile I want to talk about. Ductile is something, it's like a cone like shape. Wherever the installer do the hole, that's where you put it, and silicon as well. Usually I think installers should install ductile underneath the panel. I don't have here, otherwise I should have shown you. And they should install underneath the panel so that sun doesn't affect that one as well. And usually they do whatever the holes they do it, they put ductiles on there. Last thing I want to talk about is clip lock. Clip lock brackets are the unsung heroes of the solar panel installation, because sometimes you don't have screw line and then you have your roof is like this. So that's clip lock holds this, and it's a different type of clip locks. So it holds it, and then on top of that, like this, you put the tin feed, the one which we use, this one. Yes, and then that's how you attach it. And then again, it's similar like your metal roof as well. So by using this is very important. By using this, the installer doesn't have to hold the roof at all, like make any penetration in the hole in a roof, and that protects from in the future for any leakage or any issues like this. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully you like the video and understand why this mounting system required and what usually you call all the equipments. Thank you so much for watching so far. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.